Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly remove stickers from the keyboard on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. And if the stickers on the keyboard somehow interfere with you, you are uncomfortable with those they distract you, then I will show you a simple and quick method how you can disable them. To do this, friends, go to Phone Settings on your iPhone and then go to Basic. Then here, select the Keyboard section. And when you open it, here you have to scroll to the very bottom, and at the bottom, you will find an option called Stickers. And in order to remove them, you will just need to deactivate this option. Click on the button next to the word Stickers. And when it is grayed out, it will mean that all stickers are removed from your keyboard on your iPhone. This is the very simple and quick way, friends, you can remove stickers from your keyboard on iPhone. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, and comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.